I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming the quest state and backing up a save. This prevents lost progress. Next, make sure you approach Jacob with a stealth-friendly build, because fewer fights mean clearer dialogue options. Once at the console or conversation, open the terminal or begin the exchange and pay attention to options. The first actionable choice unlocks context clues. You do this to preserve choices and to reveal the path that leads directly to the password without guessing. Now you dig into the details. Probe Jacob with direct questions focused on numbers, dates, or names. These often become password components. If a terminal is available, scan logs and recent entries, because saved usernames or timestamps commonly form passwords. Simultaneously, open your journal and holotapes to cross-reference anything Jacob mentions. Once done, narrow candidates to those matching pattern length and case sensitivity. These steps reduce brute force and explain why specific clues. To finish, test the most likely password variants, paying attention to capitalization and common substitutions. This avoids wasting attempts. If the terminal locks or you hit a dead end, reload the backup save you made at the start and choose alternate dialogue choices. This resets clue availability. Make sure to also scan nearby containers and notes for written hints, because environmental scribbles often confirm the correct entry. If things go wrong, reloading and changing, the approach resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.